Hey everyone, Crossover here, and welcome back to the Monster Train 2. We're just gonna jump right into a new run. So what we can do, we're actually gonna try out this as our leader this time, Lord Phoenix. And got nothing here, but so we'll just depart. So this is what we get for random. We get apply power gel 10. Ooh, that's nice. It's consumed, but that's fine. We start with some, and revenge, apply weakness. Trigger when being hit. It takes that much damage against melee weakness. Okay. So we start with an artifact here. +1, but -3. Otis. No. Merchants. We start with an upgrade this time. Slay, get +1 attack permanently. Oh, it's got Phoenix Fire, deal damage equal to this unit's attack, apply 4 powers. Okay. I will take that. That's an amazing ability, I find. Especially if you can get Slay something turn 1. I started battle, enemies units appear on each floor. I'll do it this time. Since we can. We'll start with that on this floor. Put you on this floor. And put you on there. Still got some room on this floor. We'll put you there. Oh, okay. That's I make a mistake, you can undo back to the start of your current turn with this button. Oh, sweet, that's a new feature. So I can do that. That'll take care of that. That's perfect. And we'll take this out. It's not going to kill everything, but that's fine. Apply some valor to you. And we'll call it there. Yeah, take some damage. That's fine. Ooh, yay, some money. Ooh, we can't. That only triggers on shift. Actually, we can. No, hang on. If I apply that, it doesn't kill it. You know what? We will just do that. We're gonna take a little more damage here, but that's fine. I'm gonna apply that to that. We're gonna kill one of these now. That way we don't have to worry about it. There, some more money. Alright. That's stuff. Okay, that will not. So we will apply some of that to there. And we're gonna give you that. And there we go. I'm not going to be able to take it out, that's fine. We can actually do this to mitigate some of the damage. That'll get the Slay ability. And we'll tie you just to be safe. And we'll throw you up here. I should have placed you in the whatever. There we go. Some tournament slaying power. Okay. I'm not liking this at all here. If I do this, we'll set you up for the next turn. Yeah. Alright. let's see. Move you up front, that way I can apply melee weakness. Do that. That. And, oh, he's dead. That took some damage, but not a horrible start. Let's see what we get here. Revenge, apply, oh, that's lava. Oh, it's armor. That's a spell. Apply 4 fire gel. You know what? I'm gonna take the lava armor. Probably boost my guy. Grant quick. So other units for gain a bonus, so it's just a. Okay, I'm just gonna skip those ones. So we'll go over here. We'll go for you. Strike, apply 8 fire gel. That's nice. Ooh, we got you again. I love this guy. Start your first hand to play with both the planet phase. Let's see. Can I? No, I cannot use one. Okay. Good to know. And I don't really care about that either. Okay, we're just gonna ignore that and proceed. I guess they can start with. Yeah, I'll start with that. That's a minor one. Let's start with Titan Skin 1. First floor view. Puts you on the ground, because that's always nice. Ooh, I should have actually placed you there. We'll do that and that. And that's my turn. Now let's take care of the healer. That way that's... Oh, right. You take less... that's actually kind of close. We'll give the lava armor to you and give you some valor. Ooh. He does not have the Titan skin though, so I am going to take the other now. I can apply 10 Pyro Gel to something. We'll play it to you. That'll take you out, and I'll place you in here just to have a little extra. Let's see. We're gonna bring you up front because I want to get rid of you. We'll throw that on you. That will take care of that. That's fine. I don't really care about that. And we'll just do that and give you some more damage. I do not like that, so you're gonna come to the front. It is going to take less damage, but that's fine. We are going to put a couple power shots on you. Take more damage. Alright, let's see what we get here. Well, first, we'll throw you up there to have you ready. I'm gonna bring you up just so I can. Oh, he's got Pyro Gel on him already. Whoops. Take care of that. That way it's out of the way. I am gonna deal a 280 damage here. That's nice. Really weakness. Place you in the back, that way you're doing more damage. Oh, yeah, that's it. Okay. Just for that here. Okay, that took some damage, but okay. Consume gain 2 horde. I actually didn't get to try that out. I'm gonna grab that. I'm gonna skip this time. Nothing worth mentioning there. Alright, so we can get some health back. I think that's the way it works. We'll go here, see what we get for a random encounter. Get dominant power upgrade. Dominant eye. Unpurgeable. Non-scourge and non-blade cards in hand cost +1. What's the down? Oh. Game +10. That I'm not a big fan of, actually. Triggers my. No, nah. I'm not going to implement that right now. I'll experiment with that next time. Some health, and that's Merchant of Arms equipment. Let's see if there's anything. Gain 1 souls. Triggered after defeating a boss. Gain 1 for every 4 souls. It does give +10 attack, so that's a nice thing. That's a room. All firmness. When a unit gains power draw, it gains +3 to the stack. Hello, what's my ability doing? So I can apply a bunch of pyro gel with that. You know what? Actually, let's grab that. I think that'll be helpful for the boss. I can go for that, but at the same time, nah. I'm good there. Boss fight now. Same again, Rage 2 and Siphon. Alright, so we'll start with you on the bottom. You on the top. Throw you up there because you will go first. Throw one here, and oh shoot, I didn't. Okay. Ooh, we get some lava armor. Right off the bat, that's an amazing bit. We're gonna throw you on there. We're gonna take out you. And that's perfectly fine. That's gonna basically take it itself. Melee weakness. Ooh, you're way down there. Haha. Gotta set that up right now. Bunch of that. I think we're set there. Alright. We're going to give you that. Move you here. I'm going to give you some more Pyro Gel. Pyro Gel, whatever it's called. I'm going to not take as much damage here, but that's still good. Okay. This is where it gets a little annoying. So if I do, I can move you to the back. That would kill him from 13. That still won't be enough to survive. So we'll just do this now. I think I should move him to the front. That way I will apply the gel. Oh no, that's going to still take out that. Okay, you know what? I better start setting up another floor here. There we go. Okay. That's going to take him out, but if I do this... take that out, but that's not really worth it. Let's just set another couple of pyros on you. That's gonna kill my one guy. Well, at least I only take the one hit. Final wave. I'm gonna apply any fire gels I got. That's doing a lot of damage. Okay, and then we will. That's gonna kill you. Let's give you a Valor. I'm gonna take that out. I'm gonna take some damage here. At least I only. That's still a lot of damage actually from that one. Okay, I'm gonna die. There's something here. I can take that out. I can actually survive the one assault like this. There we go. Plus 6, and I'm going to take some downstairs. Hurts, but not as bad. Okay, so we do 140 damage here. Shoot, I'm going to lose one thing either way. Valor, after combat, the front unit gains armor up to a stack. So if I actually move you up front, we'll do that one time here, and then move you to the front. That's going to kill you. Just one of these. I think that would be good. And I'm going to get him. Oh, yay! Okay, that's a lot. I mitigate the damage a little bit. Not much. I can give something dual strike, but strike minus 1. I'll strike 1. Not really with it. I'm just gonna skip it. And nothing there either. Okay, here we go. I can go for more things per turn, but at the same time, having this will help actually, I think, a lot more to start. Let's see, we got Trinket Merchant. We got Duplicate and Healing. Some more money. You know what? Let's go here, get some more money, and let's see what we get here. When a unit with Power Gel gains plus 6 stacks. Oh, when a unit without Power Gel gains. Okay. That's still a nice thing. That enemy unit with... we'll read that. Can you play 3 different kind of draw one? Dragons apply Power Gel fight. Are you a dragon? You're a champion. He's a dragon, though. Why not? Maybe get lucky and get some more dragons. And we'll get upgrade to my dragon. Ooh, that's nice. Ability 2 to... we'll go with this. Get a random event. Let's see, we get Angel's Approach, the train. He wants to perform now causes Titan corruption. Let me know how the Titan grasp is suffocating. If you help me, I'll grant something powerful. You could offer the warmth of your power, but it would require a large sacrifice to fully fund it. Okay. There we go. Create a... Oh, sure, I'll take that. Do I offer... Sure. I can offer 20. Ooh. Where's my map? I do battle and then I can do Until Vortex. There must be like some kind of big thing that can go all the way with that. Unfortunately, I'm already pretty low. Non-bot, nope, we're not doing that. Multi-strike. We'll throw you there. Throw you at the bottom. And we'll throw one at top. it's already got Market Strike, so that's fine. Let's see. I should really try this out. At the same time, let's give it $1. Alright. That's... Well, that'll take that out, so that's not a big deal. We're going to throw you in the middle here. That will deal more damage. We'll throw a Pyro Jam at you. Okay, a copy of it. It's not going to kill it, but I'm still going to do it. Yeah. Ooh, okay. Dang it, that's kind of sucks actually. If I do that, that's 6. Survive, but at the same time, that's gonna take that out. I can take it out if I hit it with one, or hit it with both. I would. So 15, 21. I would barely survive. You know what? Why not? Survive at least one turn. I can move something up later. Do that. And that. Takes that out. And we'll end there. Okay, so that's 6. 8. Holy crap. What can I do here? Can't do too much actually. That's gonna take that out. So that's a problem. But no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm in a kind of a bad spot actually now that I think about it. That'll take that out. I'm not going to take that out, but at the same time, if I do that, I know that would still take me out. And we'll throw this at the bottom here. I'll throw out you on top, just so I have some more damage going on, and we'll do that just to get more defense. Oh, whoops. Okay, so I can't actually take them out. I can actually take out these two guys. Yeah, we'll take both them out here. That's still gonna take out my guy. Alright, because he gets plus boost, okay. 20, I wouldn't be able to take it out. Could save my guy and just sacrifice the one back. Oh, that takes it out. Okay, now we got the guy. Holy crap, that's a lot. Oh, sweet. It's an okay, perfect. We're gonna throw you on you. Give him another one. 13 Pyro Gale right off the bat. And I think we will give it more valor so it survive a little longer. And this is not looking great. Okay. If I do that, Alright. That's a lot of damage anyway. I don't survive this. Yep, I don't survive this, so let's just whatever. And yep. I was not surviving that. Holy crap. Yeah. That was alright, I guess. So, that was actually a quick run, so we're actually going to just quickly do another one. We're going to go with Banished again for my primary. I like Phil, I think, a little more. Alright, let's try this again. So I get that. Ooh, they start with one. Okay, let's go. On Slay, gain Horde. Okay. Start with the upgrade. What do we get for our first upgrade? Shift, gain Valor 1 permanently. Yes, please. Oh wait, what did I have in my deck? Do I got? Yes, I do got the moves. Ooh, perfect. I will take that one. Artifact to start off. At the end of battle, gain 3 if your power took no damage. Deal 3 piercing damage whenever you move between your cores. That used to be 2, actually. Ooh. I can get the Horde. You know what? Look at this Dragon Scales here. Let's work on that. Let's see if we can get that at all. Titan Skin, I'm not going to worry about it this time. Let's just go through and try and beat the Titan once. Then we'll determine everything else. And a shield guy on both swords. Okay. We gotta try and use our shift as hey, free money. Shift as much as we can on my unit. We can kill one of these things. I would survive. So yeah, we'll do that with one of them. And we will shift. Free for freeze. Didn't get anything here, but we will gain that. Get a treasure hoard. We aren't going to get the thing, so we'll see what this treasure hoard at least does. I can place you here. Actually. Cool. And I'm going to get. Okay, I won't get the 3, but hey. Ooh, that's actually. I can get another horde thing. So yeah, we'll do that. Get one down. Fire starter you. That's actually quite a bit of damage. We're actually just going to give you a bunch of these. Alright, let's see what we get for our final thing. 10 Valor. It's going to take me out, but at the same time, if I do that, I can probably maybe kill it. We'll do 1, 2. It's 40 damage. And do that once. I'm not going to kill it. Taking that. A little bit of damage, but not horrible. Now we can see what this Dragon Force does. Okay, so apply melee weakness, apply that. Shift, take 30 damage to be equipped to that enemy unit. That, I mean, that could be handy, but at the same time, consume, give a damage shield 2. We're just gonna skip that. Ooh, tune just to apply. Yeah, we'll take that. It's a freaking thing. The Pyroborn plant can earn Dragon Horde rewards that grow as you collect more. You can loot it now or save it later. You can collect any time. Okay, so I'm just gonna save it. I'm gonna try and build it up to the max. Let's see what we can get. Go over here. We'll see what we can get from the Dragonborn. We have one of those, but at the same time, a strike which applies gel. Oh. And give it multi-strike with the gel. I'll take that. Yeah. Let's reroll. When a unit with average deals damage, gain equal to the stack of average. Okay. I mean, if I do that, that's actually, yeah. Let's see what that does. Alright. Let's battle. -1. I can handle that, actually. We will do that. Start off with you here. We're also going to place you. Whenever you... Do I have to... Oh, don't... shoot. Okay, I think I see it. Okay, that's a blunder on my part, then. So if we do this, now it should be a permanent... Yeah, okay. I get it now. I blundered there the first constantly shifting around. No, that's free. Okay. So we can move that there, and we'll move you back. Oh, so does that count as me moving? Okay, that's okay. Now I understand. I just did it really wrong last time. Wow, that's actually pretty good. So we will actually move forward like that, and we'll place one of you up top. Or there you go. Well, let's first take care of you. Oh, that actually took all my money. Okay. Oh, it's dead. Now it should have the permanent thing. Okay. Okay, now I think I get it. We're just gonna skip that. Ooh, free, let's do that. With the free one, it works better. I'm gonna save it and go for the last two I need. We can heal up here. Just still gain new powers. Merchant arms, get equipment. You know what? Let's go here. We'll heal up the points that we lost. Get the free thing. I should actually wait. It's a blight, so so I upgrade something that gives me a Titan skin. Savage Heart upgrade gives us rage, permanently gain 1 rage. Revenge. Revenge triggers when being hit. That's alright, but at the same time, using hand cost +1 to the blade. I mean, I could just use that, but that's units, so I'm fine with that actually. Let's see, gain +40, gain 2 stacks for every missing. Oh, okay. That actually might be really good on him. So, you know what? Let's see, can I? Yeah, I actually like that. I think that's going to be a good upgrade on him. Let's do that. Art. Alright, let's see what else we can do here. Merchant arms. What am I missing? Oh, that was it. Okay. This unit gains plus attack. I'll take that. Alright. Oh, he's got a new, different ability this time. If you have no units on the floor, deal damage to the pot. Oh, okay. Of course I would get it right away. So let's first do that, get rid of that. Throw it here, so you got it here. I should have placed you on top to give you a bunch of that now, but whatever. Do that, and we will actually place you down here to get you started. That entire floor is just dead. So we'll just do that. Start for a free thing there. Do that and do that. So it did work that way. Okay. And we'll throw one here just so you have some up for it. It is multi-stage now. So. Yeah, that's fine. We can leave that on there. Battle floor. Sure, why not? We can take that out now, and then we can let it smack the unit there. And this is just a free throw out. We'll just put it there. Okay, we'll move you up front. Move you up front. And I don't want to move you up front just because you'll... Actually, you won't die here, but you'll still... Yeah, we'll do it anyways. It gives me more valor anyways. I like that they now indicate that you're still higher than when you started. Before, they didn't calculate the health and armor separately kind of thing. I can get one more of those. Yeah, we'll kill you. That'll give me one more trigger. We do have let's throw you. That does more damage than what I would have done. Alright. Okay, so I gotta do as much here. I didn't get any movement moves this time. That's kind of close. So we could do the battle here. We're going to... He's going to take out... let's take out this. That way I can just deal insane amounts to that. And we'll just do that. He's going to get a bunch of gel. Survive a little bit here, but we can do this. Oh yeah, that's just permanent upgrade. Oh, we'll do it anyways, just give more upgrade. He is super dead, but whatever. There we go. Permanent Valor is something I didn't understand it before. I thought I could just cancel moving, but no. Ooh, and I've got +8. So we'll get the money first. Let's see what we get. Give something multi-strike. I'm fine with... That's pretty cool, actually, but I'll skip it for now. Distinguish, gain of that. Shift to go with now. I'm just going to skip all that. Now, here we go. I'm going to get +1 at every turn, because that would be more helpful. I've got max thing here, so like 1 minor of 3 minor pyro bones. It's like 1 of 3 artifacts. I'm at max, so I might as well loot. Okay, so choose an artifact. Increase the max. Ooh, oh. Yeah, we'll grab that. Light and scourges cost 0. That could be very helpful. That's actually really good right now. Without upgrades cost 1 less. Okay, we'll grab that because I've got that in the deck now. So we get the trinkets, which I think is a better choice here. I'm at full health. I can duplicate something, but that's not really worth it. Yep, we're going here. We'll get the random event. Get discarded wings. flight? What's flight do? Flight move target location on any floor. Okay, now find uncommon wings. 10% chance to. Yeah, we'll search deeper. Get Arcus wings. I got the rare wings. Nope. 50% chance to collapse. You know what? Search deeper. I'm risking it. Oh, there's a 100% chance to collapse. You know what? Risk it. Ah. Oh well. Risked it, didn't get anything. Equipped you against any armor when you play. No. Oh, this is trinkets. Equipped you again. Gain 10 armor, that's fine. Advance the back enemy unit when it enters the train. No, we're just gonna reload. Yeah, might as well get that. Angel moves against plus 2 valor. You equipped an angel. Am I considered an angel? What am I considered? That's considered dragons. I'm not. No. My guy's not considered an angel. You know what? No, we're not gonna. We'll save the money. I'm at full health already, so we'll just. Oh, don't want to forget the upgrade. Apply Valor to Revenge, get Smiler, but at the same time, Multi-Strike, Valor 12. This just gives me a bonus to my stuff. Multi-Strike 1 and same time. Apply 1 Valor to Friendly. No, I kind of prefer just to boost my stats. Great battle it is. No, just not really worth it right now. And these are free now, so we'll just get rid of that. Throw you out. Throw you up front. And do that. Put one on each floor. And, okay. Well, we can, first of all, take out one. Move you to the front, gives you some more valor. Move you. And we'll keep that there. Yeah, we'll move you to the front. And we'll kill you and get some breaks there. Alright, yep, oh, we are perfect. We don't have to. Okay, move you to the front. And we'll just do that. Front, so there you go, both of them. And we will give you some more valor. Okay. Oh, so, oh shoot, okay, that, what's doing that? What's giving me the corruption? Is it something I attack? No. Am I missing something? Strike, good, my valor. What am I missing? I have no idea what I'm missing now. Oh, so it was something that was on the floor. Blech. Yeah, so something not... Okay. Oh, shoot. So anytime I cast something, it's okay. No. Oh, shoot. Okay. Yep. I definitely messed up there. Yeah, that might have cost me. Yep. Yeah, that cost me. Okay. My own fault for not reading the abilities. Oh, there you go. Well, that'll leave it for today. So, yep. Another bad run. 2 bad runs, actually. Mostly because I wasn't reading. Well, there you have it. So that'll be the end of today. So if you like this video, hit that like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.